Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka High Power Committee hennekas ngi kalaya kendo banyak keren halor ke yang dorbar tauan Bathymmai. Habakren bat kilat pathai kubor hadian ka jelang bat kidekot ke HPC u lampang yang dorbar tauan ba Metbah lengdo ulaya thu baki dekot jangkene ka committee kilaya shembentalang banya mer jengmon habaya dai ba ka jing penwandur Thymmai ya udum ne katunum pelun jongki yang dorbar tauan ka jella. Ulaya thoru baki bapen wandur ya udom kila ai ke jeng batai hadu saujat kuru kompen wandur hai ki dekhot ke HPC bat ke HPC kala shem ya karai dak bakila jiet ya kan nambar baar habab hai shakuru komte ya ute udom ulaya thoru ba udom ubahap ukhia hadu lai hajar ton henre uni udom Bathymmai un khia tang Kumba aspa san phau ni lai spa ton bat ka jeng te ya uni udom kan long da ustil.
Most of the members have attended. The HPC committee sat and discussed on the new design of the dome portion, where the design associate, the consultant, has given a presentation on 4 options, means 4 types of designs to the HPC members, and where we have come to a conclusion from the 4 designs, the option number 2 has been selected and agreed by the HPC. Coming to the structure part of the dome, we were informed and explained about that the portion of the dome will be of steel frames structure with partly with GRC materials and some metal sheets, and at the same time it is with the profile pre-coated GI sheets. That is what they call in the technical name of the materials which will be used for this new dome. After a long discussion, we had also inquired from the design associates about the weight which will be involved as far as this new dome design is concerned. The earlier dome which was constructed and erected was about 3,000 ton, but in this new dome structure will be 1/10 of that, which means it will be around approximately 250 to 300 tons of the weight. Now we had asked the design associate to give us the detailed drawings of this new dome, which he will submit the same in 1 month time. 30 days to 45 days time, which means 1 month to 1.5 month time, to be duly vetted by IIT Roorkee, like in the earlier case as well. The same will be submitted to the government, and we had also discussed that will again be sent to IIT Guwahati for the final vetting, in order to ensure that the drawings of the new dome is, so to say, perfect and getting the technical vetted from this IIT Guwahati. Second part, we discuss about the PMC appointment. Since in the earlier part, construction, as per the agreement, BMC is supposed to be appointed by the government, but PMC here, since there's no PMC appointed by the government, then the PWD department is looking after as part of the PMC for the entire construction of the new assembly building. The third part was that we discussed at length about the action taken on the findings of the report submitted by the IIT Guwahati, where they have mentioned, as far as the conclusion part is concerned, that due to lack of coordination of the contractor, the consultant, and the PMC. Again, I would like to mention here that PMC is the department. So, no additional costs will be involved as explained by the government, and which they have taken steps as far as the action taken for all these three. Contractor and consultant, they have already completed the asking for show cause, and they've also replied to the government. With regards to the PWD department, today we have again discussed the matter where the government has briefed us, to all the members of the HPC, that they have seek explanation from the PWD department, where the secretary of PWD department has asked for explanation from the chief engineer, PWD building, and which the matter is. I'd like to mention here that as far as the clearing of all the debris of the collapsed portion, the entire process will be completed with another period of 1 month time. So means by end of November, all those debris will be lifted out of the structure of the building. Now, we had also discussed about the target time frame for completion of the entire project, since work is going on in other parts of the building. So we see that in 6 months' time, the new assembly building will be completed. Approximately 6 months' time.